Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in fitness and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of yoga mats and sharing our top picks for the best yoga mats in 2023. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Our first contender on the list is the Alo Yoga Warrior Mat. Crafted with high-quality materials, this mat offers a winning combination of functionality, durability, and style. Made from natural rubber, the Alo Yoga Warrior Mat provides an excellent grip, allowing you to maintain stability and control during your yoga practice. Whether you're holding a challenging pose or flowing through sequences, this mat ensures that you stay grounded and focused. One standout feature of the Alo Yoga Warrior Mat is its optimal thickness. It strikes the perfect balance between cushioning and support, providing a comfortable surface for your joints without compromising stability. You'll appreciate this feature, especially during longer yoga sessions or when practicing poses that put more pressure on your knees or elbows. Another key aspect of the Alo Yoga Warrior Mat is its durability. This mat is built to withstand the test of time and can handle intense practice sessions without wearing out or deteriorating. You can roll it out day after day, and it will still maintain its quality and performance. Next is the IUGA Pro, a top choice for yogis seeking a mat that combines supreme comfort and exceptional performance. This mat has been designed with careful attention to detail, ensuring it meets the needs of practitioners at all levels. It is crafted from high-density TPE material, which provides the perfect balance between cushioning and stability. The mat offers just the right amount of support for your joints while maintaining a firm and non-slip surface. Even better, the IUGA Pro's thickness is worth mentioning as well. It provides excellent cushioning, making it ideal for individuals who require additional comfort during their practice. Whether you're performing a restorative pose or a more intense flow, this mat ensures your body feels supported and protected. Also, durability is a key factor when selecting a yoga mat, and the IUGA Pro delivers on this front. It is designed to withstand regular use and maintain its integrity over time. You can trust that this mat will hold up well, even through your most rigorous yoga sessions. Not only is the IUGA Pro functional, but it also offers a sleek and stylish design. With its textured surface and attractive color options, this mat allows you to practice yoga with a touch of elegance. You can truly make a statement on the mat while focusing on your practice. JadeYoga Fusion XW. We've already explored the Alo Yoga Warrior Mat and the IUGA Pro. Now let's move on to our next contender, the JadeYoga Fusion XW. This JadeYoga Fusion XW is a mat that caters to those seeking a wider and more spacious practice surface. It's perfect for yogis who prefer extra room to move and stretch during their sessions. What sets the JadeYoga Fusion XW apart is its generous width. With a width that exceeds the standard yoga mat, this mat provides ample space for you to comfortably explore various poses, including wider stances and arm extensions. The JadeYoga Fusion XW doesn't compromise on quality either. It is made from natural rubber, offering excellent grip and traction to keep you steady throughout your practice. Whether you're flowing through dynamic sequences or holding challenging poses, this mat ensures a secure foundation. In addition to its functionality, the JadeYoga Fusion XW features a simple yet elegant design. It comes in various colors, allowing you to choose one that resonates with your personal style and enhances your practice. Now let's move on to our fourth pick, the Manduka Pro. The Manduka Pro is renowned in the yoga community for its exceptional quality and performance. If you're seeking a mat that offers unparalleled support and durability, this one is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features of the Manduka Pro is its dense cushioning. This mat provides remarkable support for your joints, ensuring comfort during long practice sessions or intense poses. It offers just the right amount of padding to protect your knees, elbows, and spine without compromising stability. Grip is crucial for maintaining stability and preventing slips during yoga practice, and the Manduka Pro delivers in this aspect. It boasts a proprietary grip technology that improves traction, even when you're sweating. You can feel confident and secure in your poses, knowing that your mat will keep you grounded. So, whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just starting your yoga journey, the Manduka Pro is a mat that ticks all the boxes. Its dense cushioning, excellent grip, unmatched durability, and timeless design make it a top contender among yoga enthusiasts. Next, we have the BalanceFrom Yoga Mat, a fantastic option for those seeking an affordable yet reliable mat that doesn't compromise on quality. It's a great choice for yogis of all levels who want a mat that offers comfort, stability, and versatility. With a thickness that provides ample support for your joints, this mat helps alleviate discomfort and pressure during your practice. It offers a comfortable surface for various yoga styles, from gentle stretching to more vigorous workouts. The BalanceFrom yoga mat also excels in providing a non-slip surface. Its textured, sticky surface ensures a secure grip, even during sweaty yoga sessions. You can confidently transition from one pose to another, knowing that your mat will stay firmly in place. Better yet, durability is an essential factor when choosing a yoga mat, and the BalanceFrom yoga mat delivers. Made from high-quality foam material, it is designed to withstand regular use and resist wear and tear. You can enjoy your practice on this mat without worrying about it deteriorating over time. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, the BalanceFrom yoga mat provides the comfort, stability, and durability you need for a fulfilling yoga experience. Its cushioning, non-slip surface, durability, and style make it a reliable and affordable choice. Now let's dive into our sixth and final pick, the Liforme yoga mat. This Liforme yoga mat is a premium choice for yogis who value quality, performance, and sustainability. It's a mat that has gained a reputation for its innovative features and commitment to the environment. It features intelligent markings on the mat's surface, providing guidance for proper alignment during your practice. These markings serve as reference points to help you refine your alignment, enhance your poses, and improve your overall yoga experience. It is also designed with a grippy surface that offers exceptional traction. It provides a secure foundation for your practice, even during the most challenging poses or intense flows. The mat's grip allows you to focus on your breath and movement, without worrying about slipping or sliding. It is crafted from eco-friendly materials, ensuring both longevity and sustainability. And the mat's construction is built to withstand regular use and maintain its integrity over time. You can practice on this mat with confidence, knowing it will support you for years to come. In addition to its functionality, the Liforme yoga mat boasts a sleek and stylish design. It is available in various colors, featuring an elegant and minimalist aesthetic. Practicing on this mat not only feels great, but also looks great. That concludes our detailed description of the Liforme yoga mat, our final pick for the best yoga mats in 2023. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the top mats on the market. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future content.